A very, very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, we are going to learn English grammar. So, all of you are ready with your English grammar textbook? Yes. Which lesson? Lesson number 12. And what is the topic? Articles. Articles, and, the. And in part 1 of articles, we are going to understand the use of article and an. Okay, so textbook, page number 35, articles and the. First, let's understand when to use the article a. So look at this picture. What do you find? It's a single one book. Yes, so it is a book because it is one in number, it's singular, it's a common name, book, and it has a consonant sound, b, a book. So when it is singular and when it is common noun and beginning with consonant sound, we use article a. Let's have a look at few more examples. A table, a table, consonant sound and singular common noun, table. Okay, single. Next picture. Again, this is single, just one. Common noun, board. And what is the sound? Consonant sound, b for board. A board. Okay, so with consonant sound, we use article a. A boy. A teacher, teacher, consonant sound. So children, vowels and consonants. You need to understand this. English alphabets that consist of 26 letters in all. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. How many? Total 26. Of this, A, E, I, O, and U are the alphabets which are vowel alphabets. So A, E, I, O, U are vowel alphabets. They have the vowel sound, and the rest, that is after A, B, C, D, skip E, then the next one, F, G, H. So like that, the remaining rest are consonants. They have the consonant sound. And with consonant sound, children, let's read it together. The words book, table, board, boy, teacher, chair are all nouns. They are common nouns. They all are singular because book. When I say books, then it is plural. So this is singular in number and they begin with which sound? Consonant. It is not A, E, I, O, U. That is vowel. And the remaining sound. So we have to use the article a. So you have understood when to use article a. Okay. So few more examples for you. A school, sir, school. A bag, bag. A toy. So you use article a. So let's revise. We use a before common noun which are singular in number and begins with the consonant sound. Children, remember it is a sound, not the alphabet. It should have the consonant sound. So here I have written, remember, the same content is there in your textbook, page number 35. What you have to do is, what you have to remember, you will write it in your notebook. You will put today's date, you will put the lesson name, articles, and then you will copy this from your textbook neatly in your notebook as notes. And what is it you have to remember? Let's read together. While using a and an, we should always understand the difference between what is vowel sound and what is consonant sound. And as you all know, vowel sound are as it in apple. Yes. And then A as it in egg. E as it in ink. O as in orange. And A as in umbrella. And the consonant sounds are like B as in bat, D as in duck, and so on. So for vowel sound, you're going to look out. And whenever it is vowel sound, singular, common noun, you will use the article and. So here are some examples for you in the picture. An ant, an eagle, eagle, an elephant. So you heard the vowel sound over there, e, yes? So you have to check the sound. An ass, an ice cream, an ox, yes? So again this, remember, you will copy this in your notebook. This is there on page 36. You have to copy down in your notebook. The word elephant, ant, eagle, ass, ox, ice cream are all nouns. They are singular nouns and they begin with vowel sound, and so we will use and before all of them. Few more examples to clear your doubt. An octopus, an apple, and orange. Got it, children? So remember, we use an before common noun, singular, begins with vowel sound, you have to use an. And if it is consonant sound, you will use a. So now, here, some exception, few exception, okay, where you have to be very careful. It's not actually exception. Here, few where you can get confused. You may get confused. So, this also you will write it in your notebook. It is given in text page 35. Let me explain it to you. We say an honest man. Listen to the sound, honest. Here H is silent. Okay, the sound here, when I say honest, it is the vowel sound O as if in orange, O, orange. Here an honest man. H is silent. So don't look at the alphabet H and say, "Arey, ye consonant hai." No, you have to check the sound, and the sound is honest, O. So it comes under A, E, I, O vowels. So you will put an honest man. Similarly, an R. It is R. It is not H. H is silent here. So it's an R. And honor, O. Okay. So you will check the sound, and vowel sound is there. You have to put an. Similarly, for this also, we say a utensil. U is there. Then you should not say that Miss told A, E, I, O, U vowel hai. U vowel nahi hai. Vowel sound hona chahiye. So here what you get is, because utensils begin with the sound U, it is consonant sound U. So we will put a utensils. You will not look at the alphabet. You will check the sound and then write. Similarly, few more examples that could be confusing for you is a useful. U sound is the U. Okay. Useful animal. A used car. It is consonant sound. Okay. And few more. A wa. Here it is not O. Letter is O. But what is the sound coming out from your mouth? Wa. 1 rupee. So you're not saying a 1 rupee. O is not there. It is a wa. Wa sound. 1 rupee coin. So listen to the sound. It's a consonant sound. So you will write a. Okay. So 100, 100 rupee note, a one-eyed monster, wa sound, and wa sound is consonant sound. So I hope you are clear. Now, there are few examples, exercise given for practice. I will be helping you with few of them, first 4, okay? And the remaining you will be doing on your own in your notebook. So from your textbook, Fill in the blanks, A. Fill in the blanks with A or an. So let's check the sound and write, okay? I have an uncle, a sound, okay? So I have an uncle, uncle, is a vowel sound. So I have an uncle who is artist, a sound. So an artist. So you will check the sound and write. Next, dashed lion, la. Yes, so you can write here consonant sound. A lion and a mouse, mouse. So, and a mouse were good friends. Next, the bee is hard, okay. So, consonant sound. The bee is a hard working insect. Now you will do on your own. Let me check. Gia left her house. Gia left her house dash hour ago. What sound? Vowel sound. So you will write an hour ago. Got it? Then the remaining from number 5 onwards, you will copy in the notebook and do it on your own. Now B. Exercise B. Ready? Put a or an before the nouns. So only the nouns are there. It is not sentence. Nouns. And you will check the sound and put a or an. First one. Dash interesting. Interesting story. Vowel sound. An interesting story. Dash pair of shoes. Consonant. A pair of shoes. Okay. Next. Dash E sound. An easy question. Vowel sound is the E. Next. Dash Indian dress. Vowel sound. So an Indian dress. And clock. It is consonant sound. So a clock. So you will check the sound and complete the remaining after 5, 6, 7, 8 all. You will copy in your notebook and complete it. So Miss is not sending separate notes for you from your textbook. Whatever remaining numbers from after 4 and 5 is there, you will copy it in your notebook. And what is given as remember, that also you'll copy in your notebook and complete your notes. Happy learning. God bless you all.